Whether you like it or dislike it, the daring new arena of cryptocurrency has made a lot of people very rich very quickly. So who are the richest? Join us today as we run down the plutocrat pop charts and meet the 5 richest known crypto billionaires in the world. Starting us off is Fred Ursum at number 5. Frederick Fred Ernest Ursum III has impeccable tech nerd credentials. At high school, he played World of Warcraft professionally. He later went on to study computer science at Duke with a research interest in self-assembling DNA nanostructures. Following a short stint as a trader at Goldman Sachs, Fred co-founded Coinbase with Brian Armstrong, whose spoiler we'll meet a bit later on this list. Next are the Winklevoss twins at number 4. The preppy Olympian brothers, best known for their roles as bitter also-rans in the Facebook story, received a $65 million cash settlement from Mark Zuckerberg in 2008. They were foresighted enough to buy 10,000 Bitcoin at around 120 per coin in 2012, and they became billionaires in a matter of years. The Winklevoss brothers' most significant contribution to the crypto world was discovered in Gemini in 2014. It is called Gemini because they are twins, and it acts as a bridge between the wild west of blockchain fintech and the stuffy world of traditional financial services. Gemini allows regular people and Bitcoin enthusiasts to buy, sell, and store digital assets. You can relax knowing that everything is regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, NIFS. The firm's currency, Gemini Coin, is even unusually tied to the US dollar. The twins, each worth approximately $4.3 billion, recently completed a $400 million funding round to begin work on a decentralized competitor to Facebook's looming monopoly. Metaverse vengeance may end up being a dish best served cold. Chris Larsen comes in at number 3. This sexagenarian with silver hair is no stranger to the dizzy heights of the Forbes rich list. By the turn of the millennium, Elon's online mortgage lender, which he founded in 1996, was worth $1 billion. Chris Larsen's wise early support for cryptocurrency resulted in his personal fortune of $59 billion, briefly surpassing Mark Zuckerberg to become the 5th richest person on the planet in early 2018. Larsen's company, Ripple, now known as XRP, provides an exchange system geared toward international banking transactions. It is all private, safe, and effective in seconds, and it is trusted by venerable institutions such as American Express and Santander. Larsen is a vocal advocate for online privacy, and he is notably generous with his estimated $6 billion fortune. He has given $25 million to his alma mater, San Francisco State University, and recently donated $1 million to 5 food banks during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. It is worthwhile noting that Larsen's fortune was reduced by a whopping $44 billion after his Ripple coin's value plummeted from $3.65 to 45 cents. It is likely that they changed the name looking strong. Brian Armstrong is number 2. After working as a developer for Airden, Coinbase's other founder, computer science major Brian Armstrong was inspired to think about the iniquities of global interbank payment systems. He made the vast majority of his own crypto fortune, $12 billion and counting, through Coinbase. If you did not already know, Coinbase is a cryptocurrency trading and investing platform that allows regular punters to buy, sell, and exchange over 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course Dogecoin. Coinbase is a market leader with 73 million verified users and $255 billion in assets traded on the platform. In 2018, he became the first crypto tycoon to sign the philanthropic giving pledge, and he helped set up giveacrypto.org, which facilitated public or anonymous donations to those living in poverty. He is also big on education, providing funding and guidance to scientific research mecca Research Hub, which aspires to make research papers available to all. And number 1 goes to Sam Bankman-Fried. By a long shot, the son of not one but 2 Stanford law professors, he studied physics at MIT before deciding to spend his time thinking about crypto. Bankman-Fried is a vegan whose life was transformed when he discovered utilitarianism. Since you asked, utilitarianism is an ethical worldview developed in 19th century London by Jeremy Bentham and later by John Stuart Mill. Simply put, in a godless, complex modern society, individuals should do everything they can to further the pursuit of happiness, not necessarily narrow, selfish happiness. Mind but rather the improvement of overall happiness or common good, which is still only 29 and worth an eye-watering $22.5 billion. He is already supporting initiatives as diverse as voter registration, global poverty mitigation, and artificial intelligence safety. His crypto derivatives exchange FTX was recently valued at $18 billion, effectively doubling his wealth. Only time will tell how much good he will ultimately do. What do you think of this new breed of crypto barons who are markedly different from the avaricious industrialists of the past? Let us know in the comments, and do not forget to subscribe for more cash money tech content.